How about ma'am, regulating social media and the internet? Dahil yung Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center or CICC said it is banning the game Gore Box at sinabing ito ay regularly played daw by one of the suspects. Do you think may kinalaman din dito ang internet at social media?
We're not close to regulation of social media, but we are of course wary of these proposals because more often than not they would intrude into the right to privacy and yung sanctity of information ng mamamayan. Ayaw nating maging gateway ito ng further violations of the rights and freedoms of the people. But social media, as it is designed right now, no, by large corporations based in the United States, Facebook, X, Instagram, because free for all talaga siya. Uh, Dito din na-absorb ng mga kabataan yung mga ideas that our undeveloped brains, no, ang undeveloped brains ng mga bata in particular, that they're unable to handle them normally or ordinarily. No, for example, maraming mga mental health issues ang nagka-crop up dahil they're constantly exposed to media, no, that would push insecurities, no, or image issues, or yung ganitong mga uh, violent acts just as a solution for something na hindi po sana humantong kung mas well-connected ang kabataan sa community. No? So actually, ang mga fino-forward namin sa gawain ng kabataan, part list in chapters in communities, we push the youth to do on-ground activities, limit the use of social media as a good practice, and to ensure no na na-address yung addictive um, capabilities ng social media. Na for example, how do you hold platforms liable to these kinds of incidents, no, or their algorithms? Those are things that we're exploring not only in the communities but also through legislation.
Yung Australia nga po ma'am, hindi ho ba nag-impose ng social media ban sa mga miyembro ng kabataan below age 16 at wala silang access ngayon sa Instagram, TikTok, X, even Facebook. Tingin niyo ho ba bilang kinatawan ng Kabataan Party List, dapat din ba itong kopyahin dito sa Pilipinas?
Base sa pag-aaral na natin, and galing na po ito mismo sa policymakers ng Australia, their current policy is not effective. So no, we're not going to advocate for that total ban. What happened po in Australia after ng total ban na yan, all the minors that can't access social media, they just went underground. And when you go underground, it is harder to regulate. So dahil dyan, it's also harder to monitor. So paano na ngayon yung supposedly mababantayan yung non-social media use when tinatago na talaga ng kabataan to? We cannot, limit the modes of expression of the people. But we can ensure that there's healthy regulation to ensure that ideas that are harmful uh, don't aren't platformed.